How to fix Messenger video call problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger video call problem on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here you will find installed apps. Just go to here, type Messenger, and now click storage and click clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to permissions and now enable all of those here, camera and microphone and phone. Just enable all of those here and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.